Today we're going to work on the Lexus. Yes, I know you've been asking for it.
This is my Lexus IS200. If you don't know, I bought this car a few months ago, back in December, as like a skid car, because this car is too pretty to skid. Update since last time you saw it, it now has an exhaust. Dan fitted that for me. It's a completely stock system. I kind of wanted to go for like a bit of a discreet setup on this car. I didn't want like a super loud exhaust. Where's the keys? I'll show you what it sounds like. It's so quiet, I love it. It is very, very quiet. So yeah, that's that. We booked a drift day, and it's next week. Myself, Andy, Dan, we basically were all just like, why don't we go skidding? We found this track that you can rent, and it's pretty cheap, so we did that. It's come around really quick, and I've got loads to do. So yeah, it's Thursday today. Next Thursday we've got the drift day. So the next couple of videos is going to be getting this drift ready, getting Andy's Volvo and Dan's Skyline ready, and going on a drift day, which I'm super excited about because I've never done a drift day, and this thing I bought to drift and I haven't done that, so that's what we're going to do. So in terms of what we need to do, first of all, I bought this off someone in Wales and fuck knows what the condition of it is, so it needs a service because that probably hasn't been done for ages. So we've got oil, spark plugs, oil filter, and air filter. We're gonna do that. I've also got a Nardi. So yeah, shout out to Up Garage UK. This is his Instagram. He sells like imported Nardis and seats from Japan. So if you wanted to grab one of them, just hit him up on Instagram. I got a Boss kit. I've also got one for the Yaris, and I can't remember which one's which. Seats, they've got to go in because drifting in stock seats sucks ass. And then I've also got a full interior, which is no good to me. Because this car is really, really, really slow. For a 2 litre straight six, it's just slow. So we're gonna strip as much weight as we can to try and gain back some brake to weight ratio. I'm gonna start with the Nardi. If any of you have ever skidded with a stock wheel, it is not very nice. So that's why we're putting a Nardi on. I hate airbags. That is a pretty crusty looking spline nut.
Jack? Jack?
Yo.
What's going on?
Excited for skid day?
Yeah.
I'm stoked.
Can we get that?
Yeah. I'm gonna try and get them clips.
I am.
You got them?
Yeah. Do you know what I had for lunch?
What?
Wood pigeon breast salad.
What the fuck?
I shot 2 big, fat, dirty pigeons.
What, I just cooked them up for lunch? It's probably the most middle class thing that's gonna come out your mouth.
Yeah, it is. Give us it a left, Jack.
Here she is. In?
Yep.
Lush. What a difference. Alright, that's job 1 done.
There she goes. Lush. Not bad, not bad.
Oh, he's done it. Give me your best YouTube intro.
Best YouTube in.
Yeah.
What, for if I was a channel?
Yeah, if you were like the people we hate.
Hi guys, Andy here, and today we're going to work on the Lexus. Yes, I know you've been asking for it, so let's get on with it.
Right, oil's draining. We got some filters to do and spark plugs. Oh, that's the air filter. All right, okay then.
Is it going to be wrong?
Nope. Actually right. This is the old air filter. That has not been changed for a long time. discount those, 1 sec. Pull. Right, fresh Sparkies, 6 cylinders. Let's go. We'll time lapse this. One GFE, that's this, isn't it? Yeah. 4.2 litres. Full service done. Alright, we're back. Drove this home, took it home last night. It's kind of like a really nice car. It's really nice to be inside and nice to drive, so yeah. That's a big shame because we're about to ruin it. But before we do, here is a quick word from our sponsor today, which is Surfshark. Surfshark is a VPN, which is a virtual private network. Basically, it means you can trick the internet into thinking you're somewhere else. You can do this virtually, which is the virtual part, which means you don't have to leave your bedroom. You just press a button like that. Doop. Netflix, for example, you can change location, change it from UK to America, and then you've got access to a bunch more content. And then also you've got the private part of VPN, which basically just means it's safer than public. Here's an analogy. If you're on the toilet, right? Do you want that to be private or public? Exactly. There's a load of stuff that you do in your life that's private that the internet or the world shouldn't see. Your bank stuff, your photos, search history, I don't know. Loads of stuff that is private that is meant for you only. So Surfshark is good for that. Use my code BQR, they're giving you 83% off and 3 months for free if you use that. There's a link in the description, get on board, click that, and let's go ruin a Lexus. Step 1. I'm basically gonna make a pile over there of all the shit.
There's a fucking beach down here. There's actually sand. Ooh. And 10p. Right.
Found a bit of a plumbing thing. Found 10p. An Asda receipt for some backy. And then, I'm gonna glue this to my dash. This is gonna be my little drift buddy. He's called Carl. Say hi to Carl, everyone.
I just realised.
So this is my spare wheel well, and this spare wheel, I've undone it. It does not move. And I was like, why is that so stuck in? And then I remembered. That used to come all the way down here and up there. That used to be my spare wheel well. I slid out on a roundabout and backwards entry into a curb and an island. Just completely pushed up my spare wheel well. So that's probably stuck in there. Yeah, there it is. Fresh tyre. That's a brand new tyre. This is currently my drift spares for the Lex. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 2 that are on there, so 8 altogether. Not bad. Look, that's where the that's where I push the wheel well up. Very cathartic, stripping cars. Stripping cars that you don't intend to put back together. Yes! Whew. Look at them big ones. Look at that. It's the beach. Nice. Quite the pile we're stacking already. Big boys. Alright, I decided to actually put the parcel shelf back in because it weighs nothing without the speakers and it looked really shit without it there. And then I get to keep my top level brake light as well, so that bit's staying, the rest. See ya! I think that's as far as I'm going to go. We've still got the front 2 seats to take out. I'm replacing the buckets. And that's probably going to save a bunch of weight because those seats are heated and electric. So they probably weigh a ton. I reckon we're going to actually do quite a bit of weight saving. But last video I forgot to do a giveaway. Sorry, I'm an idiot. So this week I'm going to do a giveaway. We're going to do one of these. This is our new embroidered hoodie. I got loads of fluff on it at the moment, but yeah, these are our new hoodies. We just released them last week. They're super nice. They come with like it's like a silver metallic-y type embroidery in the center of the chest. So yeah, they're pretty nice. They come with the gold tags, which means it's made in our luxury factory in Portugal. If you want to win one of these, all you got to do is drop a comment down below. Comment if you're excited about this Lexus build series. Leave a comment other things you think I should do to the Lexus. We're not going full on all out, but yeah, drop us a comment what you think I should do to this. Just comment anything at random and you'll be picked to win one of these hoodies. Oh, also, they're also available in grey. There's my boobs. There's a little metallic black, dark grey embroidery. So you can either have a black or a grey. If you want to get one of these hoodies on the website and just buy one instead of win one, they come with a free pair of socks. Oh, that is the winner from the last time I did a giveaway. Can't remember when it was, but you're the winner. Well done. Well done you. We are loaded up. I got the seats with me and we're gonna head to Dan's because it's Friday night. Everyone's chilling there. We're gonna go prep all the cars for next week. So I'll see you at Dan's. Wait for this. Dan's taking this and we're just in a fucking stock Lexus. What are you done?
The only thing I had to do really was the reverse, because the car, on the last Mazzori, the car lost reverse, which found out to be just the speedo drive had fallen off and got wedged on the selector. I've actually got that.
Is it just like plastic?
Yeah, it's literally the gear. It's literally the gear and the speedo drive. And it just fallen off and wedged on the selector.
No way.
Yeah, which is fine to be fair, because it's not a rebuild, is it?
No. Well, it could have been a lot worse, couldn't
It
it?
could have been way worse.
So it's all ready then?
Yeah, man.
Haven't driven it for a year and a half and it's out the box, ready to go.
Sorry, the last time this went out.
What motor's in it?
RB25. Just, yeah, pretty much stock to be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah. She ripped.
We're gonna be shredding. Better see if it still runs then. Did you say you needed fuel?
Yeah.
Let me see the size of the fuel tank. That is tiny.
Yeah, I know.
How much does it cost to fill? Tenner?
I think it's like 20. I think it's like 20 litres or 25 litres.
That's actually not bad.
Yeah.
It's like a 125.
And you do get an extra litre. But to be fair, the tyres never last that long anyway.
Yeah, true. And then we're just doing tyres on this, putting 2 3.5s on the front, gripped up, and swapping them on the rear, and putting 2 1.5s at 60 psi.
60 psi.
What's yours? 65.
You win it,
Sure, they'll love that.
Yeah.
Love wheelbarrow wheels.
This is the Volvo's setup. Oh my god, they're so small.
165, 70, 40 with 65 psi.
I reckon if you pick them up and drop them, they'd hit the fucking ceiling.
Yeah.
And then this is the rest of our tyre stack. Getting ready. What are you doing?
Just doing my alignment.
iPhone alignment.
Yeah. Yeah, 0 degrees camber on the rear.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah, that's perfect. Should we check the other side?
Yeah.
The only thing is this looks cambered. Look at that.
That's not bad.
Genius, isn't it?
You've done that before, haven't you?
Perfect. Look at that. Smart water up. Yeah, this is basically all I do.
This is your
All
drift.
day.
This is the drift day for
Yeah,
Dan.
this is my drift day.
Outside Dan's unit is like an area of land, shall we call it?
This area of land with like loads of like lines in it.
And tarmac
And like
and
where cars go, it's so weird.
yeah, it's weird. I've never seen anything like it. Got to just make sure the 32 works for Thursday. So we're going on a test day. This is the test day.
Yeah! The big dirty flick in that.
Silly, isn't it? Nice.
That's the testing there.
Yeah. Ready. Testing done.
Fucking hell. We're gonna struggle to keep up.